It's Maths 1B, Transformation Access IPE. This chapter is one 4 marks question in IPE. I explain most important questions. Compulsory one problem in intermediate public examinations. If you follow my YouTube channel, you will get good marks in your IPE marks. Most probably that is 75 by 17, 75 by 75. Friends, if you like my video, share to your friends and relatives. So now I go to the class. Here transformation of axis is two types. First one is translation of axis and the second one is rotation of axis. Translation of axis means if the origin is shifted to another point without changing the direction of axis, then the transformation is called translation of axis. Translation of axis means if the origin is shifted to another point without changing the direction of axis, that is called translation of axis. And the rotation of axis means if the axis rotated through an angle theta about the origin, then this type transformation is called rotation of axis. So now we go to the problems. So students, formulas in this chapter. First one is transformation of axis. Transformation of axis means if the axes are translated to any other point, that is small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Here small x comma y represents old coordinate axis or original coordinate axis, and capital X comma capital Y represents new coordinate axis, and h comma k is shifting point, origin shifted to the another point h comma k. And the rotation of axis. Rotation of axis means if the axes are rotated through an angle theta about the origin. So formulas for this is small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus y cos theta. These are the old coordinate axes. Here small x comma y represents old coordinate axis and the capital X comma y represents new coordinate axis. Small x comma y is equal to, these are the formulas. For suppose capital X comma y, if you want capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus y sin theta, and capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So if you remember these formulas for rotation of axis. Students, first problem in this chapter. If the transformed equation of the curve is x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 is equal to 0. When the axes are translated to the point 2 comma 3, then find the original equation of the curve. So here axes are translated to the point. Axes are translated to the point 2 comma 3. That is small h comma k is equal to 2 comma 3. We know the formulas for translation of axes. Small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Substituting h comma k, that is small x is equal to capital X plus 3, capital X plus 2, and small y is equal to capital Y plus 3. From this equation, capital X is equal to small x minus 2 and capital Y is equal to small y minus 3. Here is given transformed equation of the curve, that is capital X square plus 3 capital XY minus 2 capital Y square plus 17 capital X minus 7 capital Y minus 11 is equal to 0. Substituting capital X and capital Y values, capital X value is small x minus 2 whole square plus 3 into small x minus 2 into small y minus 3 minus 2 into y minus 3 whole square plus 17 into small x minus 2 minus 7 into y minus 3 minus 11 is equal to 0. So here is a minus b whole square, that is x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 3 into multiplying these two, that is xy minus 3x minus 2y plus 6 minus 2 into y minus 3 whole square, that is a minus b whole square, that is y square minus 6y plus 9 plus 17 into x minus 2 minus 7 into y minus 3 minus 11 is equal to 0. Where x square minus 4x plus 4 and multiplying by 3, that is plus 3xy minus 9x minus 6y plus 18 minus multiplying by 2, that is minus 2y square plus 12y minus 18 plus 17x minus 34 minus 7y plus 21 minus 11 is equal to 0. Here is x square plus next term 3xy minus 2y square. Next write down next terms minus 4x minus 9x minus 13x plus 17x, that is plus 4x, and y terms minus 6y plus 12y, that is 6y minus 7y, that is minus y, and plus 18 minus 18 cancel. Here is 4 minus 34, that is minus 30 plus 21, that is minus 9 minus 9 minus 11, that is minus 20 is equal to 0. This is the answer. This is one of the most important problem in this chapter. So find the transformed equation of the curve x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p if the axes are rotated through an angle theta. We know the formulas. Axes are rotated through an angle theta, that is small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, and small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Substituting these formulas in the given equation, that is x cos theta, that is small x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. Substituting small x value, that is capital X cos theta minus y sin theta into cos theta plus small y value, that is capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta into sin theta is equal to p. Multiplying by cos theta, that is capital X cos theta into cos theta, that is capital X cos square theta minus y sin theta into cos theta plus capital X sin square theta plus y cos theta into sin theta is equal to p. Here is minus y sin theta cos theta and plus y sin theta cos theta, both are cancelled. So here is capital X cos square theta plus capital X sine square theta is equal to P. Take X common, that is capital X, that is cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to P. We know that this value cos square theta plus sine square theta value is 1, that is capital X into 1 is equal to P. X into 1, 1, that is capital X is equal to P. This is the transformed equation of the given curve. If the axes are rotated through an angle theta, that is capital X is equal to P. Students, next problem. This is one of the most important problem. Find the transformed equation of 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 9 when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 4. That is, axes are rotated an angle pi by 4, that is theta is given, that is equal to theta is equal to pi by 4. We know the formulas, that is small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus y cos theta. Substituting theta value, that is small x is equal to capital X cos pi by 4 minus capital Y sin pi by 4, that is equal to capital X into cos pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2 minus capital Y into sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. Therefore, small x is equal to capital X minus capital Y by root 2. This is the small x value. And find the small y value, that is small y is equal to capital X into sin theta. Theta value is pi by 4 plus capital Y into cos pi by 4. Write down the values of sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4. That is x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2. Therefore, small y is equal to, take LCM, that is capital X plus y by root 2. So, substituting these two values small x comma small y in given equation, that is 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 9. That is 3 into capital X minus capital Y by root 2 whole square plus 10 into x value capital X minus capital Y by root 2 into y value capital X plus capital Y by root 2 plus 3 into y square, that is capital X plus capital Y by root 2 whole square is equal to 9. So that is 3 into x minus y whole square, that is x square minus 2xy plus y square by root 2 whole square is 2 plus 10 into, this is a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, that is x square minus y square by root 2 into root 2, that is 2 plus 3 into a plus b whole square, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy by root 2 whole square, that is 2, that is equal to 9. So take LCM, that is 2 LCM. So 3 into x square, 3x square minus 6xy plus 3y square plus 10x square minus 10y square plus 3x square plus 3y square plus 3 into 2, 6xy by whole by 2 is equal to 9. So here is 3x square plus 10x square, 13x square plus 3x square, that is 16x square. So here is minus 6xy plus 6xy cancel, that is 3y square minus 10y square, that is minus 7y square, minus 7 plus 3y square, that is minus 4y square by 2 is equal to 9. So take 2 common in numerator, that is 2 into 8x square minus 2y square by 2 is equal to 9. So 2 cancel. So that is 8x square minus 2y square is equal to 9. That is the answer. Next problem. If the transformed equation of the curve is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 225. When the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, then find the original equation of the curve. Here is given axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, that is theta is equal to 45 degrees. Now we find original equation of the curve. Write down the capital formulas, that is capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus y sin theta, and capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Substituting theta value, that is capital X is equal to x cos 45 plus y sin 45 degrees, that is capital X into cos 45, small x into cos 45, that is 1 by root 2 plus small y into sin 45 1 by root 2. Therefore capital X is equal to small x plus y by root 2. This is the capital Y value, and capital Y is equal to minus x sin 45 plus small y cos 45 degrees. So minus x into sin 45 1 by root 2 plus small y into cos 45 1 by root 2. Therefore capital Y is equal to minus x plus y by root 2. So capital Y is equal to small y minus x by root 2. Substituting these capital X and capital Y values in the given transformed equation, that is 17 x square capital X square minus 16 capital X into y plus 17 capital Y square is equal to 225. That is 17 into capital X value small x plus y by root 2 whole square minus 16 into small x plus y by root 2 into capital Y value, that is small y minus x by root 2 plus 17 into small y minus small x by root 2 whole square is equal to 225. That is 17 into x plus y whole square, that is x square plus 2xy plus y square by root 2 whole square, that value is 2, minus 16 into, so this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is y minus x into y plus x, that is y square minus x square by root 2 into root 2, that is 2, plus 17 into y minus x whole square, that is y square minus 2xy plus x square by root 2 whole square, that is 2, is equal to 225. Now take LCM. That LCM is 2 and multiplying by 17, that is 17x square plus 34xy plus 17y square minus 16y square minus 16 into minus, that is plus 16x square plus 17y square minus 34xy plus 17x square whole by 2 is equal to 225. That is 17x square minus plus 16x square plus 17x square, 17x square, 17 plus 17, 34 plus 16, that is 50x square. Here is plus 34xy minus 34xy cancelled. 17y square minus 16y square, that is y square plus 17y square, that is 18y square whole by 2 is equal to 225. Take 2 common, that is 25x square plus 9y square by 2 is equal to 225. From this equation 2 cancel. Now the answer is 25x square plus 9y square is equal to 225. This is the answer. Friends, next problem. Find the transformed equation of the curve x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6. Here now we find a transformed equation. That means write down the formulas of small x, where small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus y cos theta. So here is axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6, that is theta value is given, that is pi by 6. Substituting theta is equal to pi by 6, that is small x is equal to capital X into cos pi by 6 minus capital Y into sin pi by 6. So that is cos pi by 6, that is cos 30 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into x, that is root 3 x by 2 minus sin 30 1 by 2, that is capital Y by 2. Therefore small x is equal to root 3 into capital X minus capital Y by 2, and small y value, small y is equal to capital X sin pi by 6 plus capital Y cos pi by 6. Small y is equal to sin 30 1 by 2, that is x into 1 by 2 x by 2, y into cos 30 root 3 by 2, that is root 3 into y by 2. Therefore small y is equal to capital X plus root 3 into capital Y by 2. So substituting these two values, small x comma small y, in the given equation, that is given the transformed equation of x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. So small x value, that is root 3 into capital X minus y by 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 into root 3x minus y by 2 into y value x plus root 3 into y by 2 minus y square, that is capital X plus root 3y by 2 whole square is equal to 2a square. Here root 3x minus y whole square, that is a minus b whole square, that is 3 capital X square minus 2 root 3 capital XY plus capital Y square by 2 square, that is 4, plus 2 root 3 into multiplying these two, root 3x into x, that is root 3x square plus root 3 into 3, that is 3xy minus xy minus root 3 into y square by 2 into 2, that value 4, minus this is a plus b whole square, that is x square plus 2 root 3xy plus 3y square by 2 square value is 4, that is equal to 2a square. So take LCM, and this is LCM is 4, that is 3x square minus 2 root 3xy plus y square, 2 root 3 into root 3x square, that is 2 into 3, 6x square. Here is 3xy minus xy, 2xy into 2 root 3xy, that is 4 root 3xy minus 2 root 3 into root 3, that is 2 into 3, 6y square minus x square minus 2 root 3 xy minus 3y square is equal to 2a square into LCM value is 4, that is take cross multiplication, that is 4 into 2a square. So here is 2 minus 2 root 3xy minus 2 root 3xy, 4 root 3xy, this 4 root 3xy all are cancelled, and 3x square plus 6x square, that is 9x square minus x square, that is 8x square, y square minus 6y square, that is minus 5y square minus 3y square, that is minus 8y square is equal to 8a square. So take 8 common, that is 8 into x square minus y square is equal to 8a square. So both sides 8 cancel, therefore the final answer is capital X square minus y square is equal to a square. This is the answer.